everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time. It's Halloween season and today we're gonna draw a nice Halloween drawing. Are you guys ready? So here we go. Let me know if you can guess what we'll be drawing this video. Okay, so first you start with a semicircle. Very careful. And we will draw some arms. Alright, so because it's Halloween season, we're gonna be drawing did you guys guess a friendly ghost? That's what we're drawing today. This is an easy drawing. You just take your time and follow the lines. And all you need is pen and paper. So easy. Alright, now that we're done drawing the shape of the ghost, we're gonna draw the mouth and the eyes. 2 round circles for the eyes and 1 tiny little circle for the mouth, and the mouth is saying boo. We put a little shine on the eyes here and here. Alright, our ghost is all done. But now we have to color in the eyes. You can use the same marker. You see, this is such an easy and fast drawing. And stay tuned because we're going to be drawing lots of Halloween drawings this season. And they're mostly easy, so you can draw it at home with your family. I hope you guys really like drawing Halloween drawings. We're gonna draw pumpkins, we're gonna draw Frankenstein. What about a bat? Ooh, that would be fun. Okay, so let's finish coloring in the eyes. Almost all done. All right, here we are. We're all done. If you want, you can circle around the eyes a little bit more to define the shape. That way you lock in the shape of the shine and of the big round eye. Okay, this is our little friendly ghost. How did you guys do? What does the ghost say? Boo! I hope you had a great time coloring and drawing with us. Ask your family to subscribe to our channel for more coloring and drawing adventures. And also, please ask all your friends to subscribe to our channel and watch our videos. Stay tuned for more Halloween videos during this month of October. Thank you so much for watching Toy Time. And please, every time you watch a video, get pen, also markers, pencil, paper, coloring pencil to draw with us. Alright guys, thank you again for watching our channel. Subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. I wonder what it's gonna be. I'm gonna leave some clues at the end of this video. Is it going to be a haunted house? Ooh, we don't know. A bat? Or maybe another friendly ghost? We don't know. How about if next time we change it up a little and draw a jack-o'-lantern? That's a great idea. So I'll put the jack-o'-lantern right there near the haunted house. And stay tuned so you can see what we will draw next time. Thanks for watching Toy Time. Subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.